This is the lock screen interface. Clicking to unlock this, enter the corresponding lock screen password to unlock. This is the main interface of the entire machine. This is the display interface for scheduled tasks. After setting up this scheduled task, here will display detailed information of each task. There are also specific details for each of the following days. A week's time can be displayed in total. This is the partition monitoring function interface. There are a total of 10 corresponding partitions. Each partition will display the status of open circuit, monitoring, and short circuit. This is the partition display interface. This is the source management interface. Here we'll list local songs and local audio separately. You can also see songs in the USB by inserting it. You can also copy songs from the USB to the local interface here. There are also radio stations with FM and AM radio stations. The found channels will be displayed here. Channels can be added manually or searched through the antenna, and the found channels will be displayed here. This source management mainly consists of these three functions. This is the editing interface for scheduled tasks. You can add or delete the corresponding scheduled tasks here. Here demonstrates the editing of the addition. This is the name of the address task. Set any value. Here is the time for scheduled tasks. Select a time period to execute this scheduled task. You can choose to loop weekly, monthly, or each week. Here you can select daily, weekly, or monthly, corresponding days for each month. The weekly selection includes Monday to Sunday. Here, you can choose the output interface of the power sequencer to control the output power behind. These are the corresponding 4 audio outputs, each selectable to the corresponding output interface. The one below is the corresponding partition selection interface. For example, a corresponding scheduled task needs to be placed in a certain partition. Select its partition, multiple selections are allowed, and all can also be selected. Each partition is independent. This is the first page editing interface. The next page interface can select the source of the corresponding songs. It can be local songs or radio channels from the antenna. This is local, and this is from the antenna. You can select the songs to be played. During this scheduled task period, songs can be played in a loop or playlist can be looped. Then click Save again, and it will display the interface you just edited. You can enable or disable here. Here you can view the edited effects in real time to check if they are working properly. You can re-edit here. The red at the back is the delete function. If there are multiple lists, you can select multiple items at once and delete them with one click here. This is the editing interface for scheduled tasks. This is the real-time playback interface. You can select from 10 partitions here. There is a one-click select all function, and you can also select individually. After selection, you can use the local songs here for real-time playback. After playing, you can choose from 4 audio output ports, or play audio directly in the partition. There are songs playing via USB here. USB is not connected now. If a USB is inserted, there will be an audio interface here. You can select songs to play accordingly, and it is also in real-time playback. This is a receiving antenna. There will be corresponding channels for broadcasting, and it can also be played in real time. This corresponds to some audio input and output hardware interfaces of this machine. This is the microphone input port. Then open the corresponding output channel here. You can play the USB audio inserted into this machine. There are a total of 2 microphone inputs, 2 line inputs, 1 DVD, and 1 other audio input. The entire interface is like this. This is the editing interface for emergency tasks. This is the enable switch. This is the editing interface for emergency tasks. For instance, this happens after an emergency task is executed. This emergency task needs to be executed every week. Correspondingly select which day and which partition. There are 10 partitions available. Here you can adjust the audio volume of the emergency task playback. This area is for selecting the audio to play. The editing interface for emergency tasks is like this. Click Save here. If no partition is selected, please choose one and click Save. In the enabled state, after the hardware triggers the emergency task, it will play the set audio. This is the recording interface. This recording can simultaneously record 4 channels of output audio. Click here to start recording. After recording, save it, and it will have a recorded audio file. You can play the recorded audio file locally in real time. This is the audio file that was just recorded. It will be displayed here locally. When you need to listen back, you can use this to play in real time. Listen to the audio recorded by this machine. You can delete here, and multiple selections can be made for one-click deletion. This is the recording interface. This is the device management interface. This T-6232TM microphone, after connecting via network cable, it will display the status here, along with the corresponding name and MAC address. This one is relatively simple. This is the system settings. There is a lock screen time setting here. Lock the screen after a certain number of minutes of an activity, or you can choose not to lock the screen. This is to set the initial password. The initial password is the screen lock password, and when you first enter the system, there is a screen lock password on the interface. You can re-edit this screen lock password here. Input a new password. After confirmation, the new password will take effect. This is System Upgrade, which can be performed via USB. If you need to update the software or firmware after connecting via USB, you can proceed with the system upgrade. This is the log export function. All operation records of this machine can be exported through this log. After being exported, you can view each operation through the computer. This is the amplifier switching. Our device has both main and backup amplifiers for switching. This is automatic switching, and there is a manual switching. If the main amplifier is abnormal, you can switch it manually, or it will automatically detect and switch. If a main amplifier or backup amplifier is abnormal, it will switch to another normal amplifier. Maintain the continuity of the audio. The last one is the system information, including IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and software firmware version. This is the interface for 9 major functions, and this time can be manually edited. You can also automatically update the time through the beta satellite. There's also an immediate lock screen operation interface that can lock the screen with one key. When you need to leave urgently, you can lock the screen directly and then leave. These several are button functions. Home. If you need to return to the home page from a certain interface, Pressing the home button will automatically bring you back to the main page. This up, down, left. Right is used to select left, right, up, and down. There's a corresponding confirmation function here. Clicking will enter the interface. This is for adjustment. It is to choose via the knob. Both buttons and knobs can be selected, and there are corresponding selection and confirmation interfaces. This is the multimedia play and pause function. Connect USB, and you can play and pause songs in the USB directly with this button. There is a recording button here, which is to enter the recording interface. Pressing this recording button starts recording. Pressing it again will stop the recording. This is the highest priority handheld microphone. It is the highest priority and plays audio when in use. By using this button, it will cut off all audio and only play the handheld microphone audio. Here is a volume listening knob. It is built in with a small speaker for monitoring. The audio playing in this zone can be adjusted for volume here. This is the emergency microphone volume adjustment, and through this knob, you can adjust the sound level of this microphone. Here is a matching remote called microphone. There is a button which is the emergency button. Pressing it will trigger an emergency output. There are corresponding buttons for all zone and zone call on this side. After setting up the 10 zones, all zone calling can be performed. This is the bell selection. This is a single zone call, allowing for a specific zone to be called alone. This button is for all zones. This is a single zone. This is the confirm button. This is down. This is up. This is the interface for selecting up and down. After connecting with the host via network cable, calling can be done. There is a microphone volume selection here, as well as an overall bell volume selection. This network interface, power supply, and power switch. This is the Beidou antenna interface. This is the AM antenna interface. This is the FM antenna interface. Here are 10 zones, corresponding to output zones and power zones. This side is for connecting the backup amplifier. This is for connecting the main amplifier. This is the power fuse holder and power switch. These are the 5 output ports of the power sequencer. Each can output 220V AC power. This is the network cable interface. This is a reserved interface for 485 communication. This is the trigger control interface for emergency 24V strong cut. This is a switch. There is a 24V output here. This is the EMC emergency task output interface, equipped with 6.3 terminals. This is the multimedia volume control knob. These two are corresponding to 2 balanced microphone input interfaces. Through this dial switch, you can select 48V reversing power supply or microphone or line input. Then corresponding volume adjustments. This is 4 audio inputs, 2 line inputs, 1 DVD, and 1 other audio source input. These 4 correspond to the volume adjustment knobs. These 4 are the main audio outputs.